Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play the G chord on a ukulele. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you how to easily play the G chord. I'm going to try and keep this video short and sweet, so let's get right into the video. And I'm not going to sort of go over all of the basics of playing the ukulele. I'm going to assume that you already know some of the basics of strumming and putting your fingers in place along the fretboard over here. So let's get right into the actual instructions for getting your fingers in place. So just follow along, okay? Essentially, you have your 4 strings, okay? I'm not going to go over the notes, but we're going to call them top string, second from the top, third from the top, bottom string. That's the easiest way to understand it as a beginner. You can learn the notes at another time. So easy to do. It's just a matter of memorizing the actual note letters. But, you know, to understand them numerically, like top, second from the top, third from the top, bottom is much easier. You're going to get your index finger. Now, you can change the fingering of in any way, but this is what I recommend. Get your index finger, okay? You're going to get the string that is second from the top, and you're going to get the fret that is the second fret. Place your index finger pressing down on the string that is second from the top on the second fret. Press it down, okay? The next thing that you're going to do, and this is contrary to how other people teach it, but this is how I learned from my dad, okay? Get your middle finger, and your middle finger is going to go to the bottom string, so the lowest string, okay, on the second fret as well. So you now have your index finger and your middle finger on the second fret, and your index finger is on the second fret on the second string from the top. Your middle finger is on the second fret on the lowest string. Then you're going to get your ring finger right over here. I know I'm wiggling both of them. I don't have the dexterity to only wiggle my ring finger, but you're going to get there we go, your ring finger right there, and you're going to press it down on the third string from the top, okay, on the third fret. So it's easy to remember in that way. So third string from the top on the third fret. Okay, now what you're going to do before you start strumming is you're going to make sure that all the strings are ringing out. So ring that top string, it should be open. Okay, nothing should be touching it. Second string from the top, perfect. Third string from the top, perfect. And lowest string, perfect. Put them together. You now have your G chord. That easy. That easy. Now all that you have to do is practice it. Practice holding. Make sure you get that nice curvature. If your fingers are like this, you're going to get this sound. You don't want that sound. Okay, so make sure you have a nice curvature. And that's basically, it's literally that simple. That is how to play your G major chord. Really, really easy. And I've shown you exactly how to do it throughout this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. I know people honestly are probably going to, the comments I'm going to get for holding the ukulele like this, but you know what? It's fine, right? I'm not dropping it. Anyway, so that's basically, once again, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.